How to make your brain think in English, or improve English speaking, or English speaking practice. Hello learners, welcome back to 90, your daily English learning podcast. Today, I'll teach you how to train your brain to think in English so you can speak naturally, confidently, and without translating in your head. If you want fast English improvement, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Let's begin. Do you translate every sentence from your language to English before speaking? Does your brain freeze during conversations? Good news. Today you'll learn 5 powerful techniques used by fluent English speakers worldwide. Why you can't think in English, your brain thinks in your native language because you learned English through grammar, not real usage. You rarely use English outside class. You try to speak perfectly, so your brain blocks you. But don't worry. Thinking in English is a skill, and today you'll start developing it. Technique first. Mini English moments. Stop waiting for study time. Instead, create micro-English moments throughout your day. Look at an object and name it in English. Describe your actions. I'm walking. I'm cooking. I'm working. Ask yourself small questions. What am I doing? What do I want? Just 5 minutes a day creates a thinking habit. Technique second. Picture thinking. Think in images, not translations. When you see a cup, don't think chashka, cup. Visualize the object and say the English word directly. This rewires your brain to use English automatically. Technique third. English input. Diet input creates thinking. The more English you hear, the more your brain copies it. Do this daily. Listen to English podcasts at 0.7, 5 to 1 times speed. Watch short English videos with subtitles. Read simple English stories. Use English-focused playlists while walking or relaxing. Your brain will start predicting English words. That's real fluency. Technique fourth. Speak to yourself. Talk to yourself in English, even quietly. Say things like, "What should I do? Now? Let me check the time. I need to go outside." This turns English into your inner voice. All fluent learners use this trick. Technique fifth. Thought journaling. Every evening, write 3 to 5 simple sentences in English about your day. Today I learned. I felt. Tomorrow I will. This creates deep thinking patterns and improves memory. Bonus tip. Stop chasing perfect English. Thinking in English becomes easier when you allow mistakes. You don't need perfect grammar to speak. You need clarity, confidence, and practice. If you want your brain to think in English faster, watch this video again tomorrow. Repetition creates fluency. Like this video, subscribe to 90, and comment. I'm ready to think in English. I'll reply to motivate you.